Hi, my name's Sung, and I'm the Principal and Director of Sky Academy. And today we're going to be looking at an advanced maths topic, and it's the topic of sequences and series. Alright, so I guess the first thing we need to do is work out what sequences and series actually are and what this topic is really all about. So let's start by doing this, going through the definition of what a sequence and series is. So let's start with a sequence. Okay, a sequence in mathematical language is really quite simple. A sequence is an ordered list of terms that may or may not follow a specific pattern. Okay, so an example of a sequence might be something simple like this. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. It follows a pattern, and that pattern is that you add 2 each time. So after 8, the next number will be, you guessed it, 10. Okay? And the next number after that is called 12. Now let me go on a little bit of a tangent here. Each of these numbers, right, is part of the list, and they're called terms. So each term can be denoted by the letter T and the order that it is in that sequence. So this is T1 because it's the first term. This is T2. T3 would be 6. T12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be T6 because it's the 6th term in the sequence. Does that make sense? Beautiful. Now, the other definition that we need to know is what a series is. And a series is really just a sequence expressed as a sum. So it's the sum of a sequence. So instead of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 being separated by commas, the series would look like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Does that make sense? Well, I hope so. But let me just go through one other thing about series. Each of these terms added up make a series or a sum. And we denote that series with an S, and because there are 6 terms, we would call that S6. And the reason why we would call that S6 is because we're adding the first 6 terms. Okay? Good. Well, I hope that gives you a good introduction to what sequences and series is all about. On the next video, we'll be talking a little bit more about some of the language that we have to know and get you a little bit more familiar with what sequences and series is all about. Alright, I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.